fight over the right to attend church headed to the Oregon Supreme Court. Hours after a Baker County judge tossed out Governor Brown's emergency orders yesterday, the Oregon Supreme Court halted his ruling. So what does that mean to you? Travis Tyke digging deeper into that story tonight. Travis?
Jeff, to put it simply, the Oregon Supreme Court stay means Oregonians need to abide by those statewide coronavirus emergency orders until further notice. Only hours after a Baker County judge ruled Oregon Governor Kate Brown's coronavirus emergency orders were invalid Monday night, the Oregon Supreme Court jumped in, putting a stay on that ruling. Essentially, the stay means the state's highest court hit the pause button on the legal action taken by Baker County Judge Matthew Shirtcliffe.
It basically suspends the judge's decision and allows Governor Brown's executive orders to go back into effect. Right now, we are back in the situation we were in over the weekend.
10 churches from across the state are suing Governor Kate Brown. The lawsuit and Judge Shirtcliffe's ruling says the governor's additional powers from the emergency order expired April 6th. But the governor says she is working under a statute that allows her to issue an emergency order for an unlimited amount of time. Kevin Mannix is the attorney representing the Elkhorn Baptist Church in the suit. He says the lawsuit is not about ignoring health and safety guidelines. It's about checking the governor's power and allowing people to work or attend church in unaffected counties.
We're not saying that Oregonians should be foolish about this coronavirus pandemic. It depends on where you are, and you should be responsible in that context. But the governor cannot order us under pain of criminal prosecution to close our businesses when the businesses can be following reasonable practices.
Now, Professor Tung Yin at Lewis and Clark Law School told me earlier today that the Supreme Court's decision to stay is likely just to err on the side of caution. It's much easier to undo things the other way around than it is to put things into motion quite now. But both parties do have until Friday to file their response to the Supreme Court's decision. Reporting in downtown Portland, Travis Tyke, KOIN 6 News.
Travis, thank you.